Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing the exact Apple TV model you need and why it matters. Pick 4K for HDR and better color. Pick HD only if budget limits you. Make sure your television has an HDMI port and supports the resolution you expect. Once decided, confirm you have an Apple ID and Wi-Fi credentials ready so setup is uninterrupted. You'll save time by having the app passwords and HomeKit devices handy before you unbox the device. Next, unbox and place the Apple TV near your router for a strong signal. Connect the HDMI cable to your TV and the power cable to an outlet. Power it on and select the HDMI input. You'll pair either with your iPhone by following on screen prompts or use the Siri remote to enter Wi-Fi and sign into your Apple ID. Once connected, enable location, Siri, and automatic updates to keep apps optimized. Make sure to transfer settings from your iPhone if prompted. Finish by updating TV OS immediately to get the latest features and security fixes. Install Netflix, Apple TV Plus, and any other apps you need. Configure AirPlay and home sharing so you can stream from your iPhone and share media. Pair Bluetooth controllers or soundbars if required. If something goes wrong, first restart the Apple TV and your TV, then check HDMI cable seating and try a different port. If problems persist, reboot your router, sign out and back into your Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.